Folks, this device here came to our technical support with the client stating that it's showing, as you can see, this headphone connected. This device already came from another technical support, and the person there who worked on his device, he said the defect is the board. So I'm going to show you some possible issues that it could be, because the same problem doesn't always mean it's a standard issue for all other devices. So this one here is the A05, and here I have another A05. Okay, this one is ours. It's working perfectly. All the parts of this device here are working just fine. So what did I do? I tested piece by piece until I reached the solution to the problem. So if your device is showing that the headphones are connected without being connected, not always the problem is the input, not always the problem is the board. In this case here, the problem with this device is the screen. Okay, this screen has already been replaced. Before replacing this screen, the device was working normally. After replacing the screen, after a few days, a week, or a few days later, 1 or 2 days later, I can't say for sure, but the customer went back to the store where he had this screen replaced, talking about this problem here, but he kept using it anyway for 1, 2 or 3 more days. That's when he brought it here for us to analyze. Analyzing piece by piece, we identified here that the defect is the screen. We recommend the client go back there and tell the technician to replace the screen. So for you to have an idea, the defect here is the screen.
All right, I hope I helped you. Thanks, take care.